Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain in any number in multiples of 2 plus 3. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, again it's the 1, 2, 3, 4th stitch, and work a double crochet. Insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. You're going to go ahead and make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. And that will count as your first slip stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. That one counts as this stitch, so you're going to work into the 3rd stitch from the hook, double crochet. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next. Slip stitch in the next. You're going to repeat all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, I'm going to make 1 slip stitch in the last stitch. And I'm going to chain 2 and turn. And that counts as the first double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch, and in each of the stitches all the way across the row. So that was the double crochet. There's the slip stitch. So we're going to double crochet in the slip stitch. Now double crochet in each of the stitches, and the slip stitch will be a little more difficult to see because it's a bit tighter than the double crochet. Like that, double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, working a double crochet in each stitch. Repeat those 2 rows. So this row was a double crochet row, so I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And that will take the place of the first slip stitch. So I'm going to work into this stitch, and I'm going to work a double crochet. And then I'm going to slip stitch in the next stitch. And a double crochet. And a slip stitch. And so you're just going to repeat that across the row. And you'll continue to repeat those 2 rows, 1 row of double crochet and 1 row of alternating double crochet and slip stitch.